In the United States, the automotive industry is no longer just about turning wrenches or assembling parts on a factory line. It has evolved into one of the most advanced, high-paying, and technology-driven industries in the world. From electric vehicles to self-driving systems, from advanced software to luxury performance engineering, the auto vehicle sector now offers careers that can easily compete with top-paying jobs in tech, healthcare, and finance. When people think about working with cars, they often imagine basic mechanic work, but the reality in America is very different. The highest-paying auto vehicle jobs combine engineering, software, leadership, innovation, and specialized skills that are in massive demand. One of the most lucrative paths in the U.S. automotive world is automotive engineering. These professionals are responsible for designing, testing, and improving vehicles from the ground up. They work on engines, safety systems, aerodynamics, materials, and now increasingly on electric drivetrains and smart vehicle technologies. Automotive engineers in the United States are highly valued because manufacturers are constantly racing to produce safer, faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly vehicles. Companies like Tesla, General Motors, Ford, Rivian, and Lucid Motors invest billions of dollars into research and development, and the engineers behind these innovations are paid accordingly. Salaries in this field often start strong and grow quickly with experience, especially for those working on cutting-edge projects. Closely connected to this is the role of electric vehicle engineers, which has become one of the fastest-growing and highest-paying specialties in the auto industry. As the U.S. pushes toward clean energy and reduced emissions, electric vehicles are no longer a niche market. They are the future. EV engineers work on battery systems, charging technology, electric motors, thermal management, and energy efficiency. Because the talent pool for this work is still relatively limited compared to demand, companies are willing to pay premium salaries to secure the best engineers. In many cases, EV engineers earn more than traditional automotive engineers, especially if they have experience with lithium-ion batteries, power electronics, or EV software integration. Another area where salaries have exploded is automotive software engineering. Modern vehicles are essentially computers on wheels. From infotainment systems and digital dashboards to advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous driving features, software controls nearly everything. Automotive software engineers develop the code that makes vehicles smarter, safer, and more connected. In the U.S., these professionals often earn salaries comparable to Silicon Valley tech workers. Those who specialize in autonomous driving algorithms, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or embedded systems are among the highest-paid professionals in the entire auto sector. As self-driving technology continues to advance, the value of these skills keeps rising. Autonomous vehicle specialists represent a new generation of automotive professionals. These experts work on sensors like LiDAR, radar, and cameras, as well as perception systems, decision-making algorithms, and vehicle control systems. Companies testing self-driving cars on American roads rely heavily on these specialists to ensure safety and performance. Because autonomous technology is complex and high risk, the professionals working in this area carry enormous responsibility, which is reflected in their compensation. Many of them come from backgrounds in robotics, aerospace, or advanced computer science, and their salaries often exceed traditional automotive roles. Design also plays a major role in high-paying auto careers, particularly at the leadership level. Automotive design managers oversee the look and feel of vehicles, including exterior styling and interior experience. In the U.S. market, design can make or break a car brand. Consumers are highly influenced by aesthetics, comfort, and innovation, especially in luxury and performance segments. Design managers combine creativity with technical knowledge and business strategy. They lead teams of designers, work closely with engineers, and align designs with brand identity. At senior levels, these roles can command very high salaries, especially at premium and luxury manufacturers. Powertrain engineers continue to be well paid, even as the industry transitions away from traditional combustion engines. In the U.S., powertrain engineering now includes hybrid systems, electric drivetrains, and advanced transmission technologies. Engineers who understand both traditional engines and modern electric systems are particularly valuable because they help companies bridge the gap between old and new technologies. Their work directly impacts vehicle performance, efficiency, and regulatory compliance, making them